Hi guys, now today is gonna be a very common video, guys. No screaming. This is an Atari game. So I love fishing. I actually caught a fish once in real life. I love fishing. It's one of my favorite it's a favorite hobby of mine. So I was going to be scream, but I'm like, maybe I shouldn't scream. Why? Because people need some more video. People need videos that aren't me screaming all the time. I want to put this in a play. Oh, I can't go over there. I want to put this in a playlist called "Videos to Sleep To." Fudge. Why is there a shark over here? Why is there a shark over here? So, I'm thinking since fishing is kind of a calm sport, I might as well be calm while playing a fishing game, guys. So, oops, how are you getting so much points? Either he's cheating or I just suck at the game. Guys. I'm going to. I kinda want to animate this video, maybe the entire video, maybe not, guys. I love Bass Pro Shops. It's so cool. Bye, guys.